Now we're going to talk about the alternative strategies. The first alternative strategy we're going to discuss is the Model 3 alternative strategy. This alternative strategy plans to utilize Tesla's existing Model 3 product line and implement tier versions of their base model. Tesla needs to maintain a high level of funding in order to continue their reign as the innovators of the automobile technology space. As my colleagues have previously noted, Tesla generated a meager 22 million profit in 2016, which compared to other industry automakers is next to nothing. In order to significantly increase profits, Tesla needs to consider tiering their new Model 3 with specific upgrades at every level. Several automakers have significantly profited from tiered or premium model offerings, most notably Ford, who expected sales for their premium F-150 line to be 3% and were pleasantly surprised to see that 30% of all F-150 trucks are upgraded models with premium features. According to a 2016 study conducted by Accenture, 71% of 5,100 correspondents located in China, Germany, and the United States stated they would be willing to pay upwards of 15% of a new car's price to receive the in-car technology that they want. Consumers stated that they were interested in stolen vehicle recovery trackers, delivery service trunk features, heads-up vehicle diagnostics, parked car locators, eCall and bCall, and autopilot driving. The stolen vehicle recovery tracker feature allows users to track their car with their smartphone and report it to the police if it's been stolen. The delivery services trunk feature allows for packages being delivered to your residence to be left in a specialized compartment of your trunk via carrier, DHL in this case, with a wireless access code. It's currently being implemented in Europe. The heads-up vehicle diagnostics displays pertinent information in the vehicle diagnostics through a heads-up display, which can then be shared with third parties for necessary servicing. Parked car locator, which is similar to the stolen vehicle recovery tracker, allows for users to track their vehicle if they have forgotten where they parked their car when they go shopping. eCall and bCall, similar to OnStar, is an automatic feature which sends out a call if the vehicle has been in an accident. bCall is an automatic feature which will send out a distress call to appropriate personnel if your car has been broken down. We all know about the autopilot driving. Tesla has already cornered the market on autopilot driving and has demonstrated through several videos that the system is capable of driving while the passengers pay no attention to the road. So as you can see here, we have the listed upgrades and the cost to Tesla to implement the upgrades. What is not shown but can be found extensively detailed in the report are the upcharges for each upgrade and the resulting potential profits. We recommend Tesla charge consumers $2,000 for the vehicle tracker, $1,500 for the trunk features, $1,000 for the heads-up display, $500 for the parking locator, and $2,000 for the eCall and bCall. This will result in significant additional profits for the company, which, assuming 20,000 vehicles are sold, each upgrade individually has the potential to net Tesla anywhere from $8 million to $200 million. Next, we're going to see the pricing structure and the tiers that we're going to split it off from. So you have your base price at $35,000. We would look to be charging a vehicle with a tracker and parking locator $37,500, trunk feature $37,500, eCall, and we're going to move all the way up to when you completely get everything implemented, looking at about $49,000 $500, and that comes with the autopilot and all the features. When calculating the base model price with the respective combined tiered premium options, it becomes abundantly clear that the $700 million in revenues, still assuming that 20,000 cars are sold annually, based on the Model 3 current registrations and current pricing structure, could be increased to $890 million through additional features by 2020. If each of the cars purchased had the autopilot feature, revenues increased to over $1 billion. It's clear to see that this alternative model pricing strategy for Tesla's Model 3 provides significant value and potentially offers substantial contributions to the success of the company with limited changes required. So next we're going to talk about the Tesla solar panel alternative strategy we have. This proposed alternative strategy aims to combine Tesla's new advanced solar shingles with commercially available computing technology, providing a new line of Tesla products that would be integrated into driveways, highways, and sidewalks. This line of solar technology would ultimately create a separate revenue stream for Tesla and provide significant funding for future research and development. Currently, the average family consumes 11,000 kilowatts of electricity per year at a cost of 12 cents per kilowatt hour. This roughly averages out to an average electrical consumption of $1,400 annually. The United States consumes approximately 3.9 quadrillion, yes, that's correct, quadrillion kilowatt hours per year. Utilization of solar panels has the ability to change all of this and make a significant impact. With the current highway infrastructure in a state of disrepair, Tesla has a unique opportunity to combine their solar technology with available computer systems to help repair the roadways and create a sustainable power alternative for the U.S. The Federal Highway Administration has an approximate budget of $47 billion for the fiscal year 2017, and the construction industry, which includes highway and road construction, enjoys a healthy 16% gross profit margin from this budget. This equates to approximately $7.5 billion in profit for the national construction industry. Tesla has a great opportunity to promote a proprietary, sustainable energy source while potentially generating significant profits that can fund future business endeavors. Tesla's asphalt solar shingles are currently sold at $5 per square foot and are warranted for life. It's not unreasonable to believe that Tesla engineers could manufacture similar asphalt solar panels with even greater durability to handle the everyday harsh conditions of the road. The current shingles can withstand 2-inch hail traveling at speeds of over 100 miles an hour while sustaining no damage. These shingles have a maximum power rating of 12 watts and a roof can potentially fully power a house. Now, the average cost of asphalt is $4 per square foot with a required 3-year cycle maintenance using costly sealants to maintain the integrity of the road. And let's be honest, the roads are never in great shape. Not only can Tesla manufacture components for the same cost as asphalt, they guarantee their product and require no scheduled maintenance intervals. This ability to competitively manufacture at current construction costs and provide significant personal and environmental benefits presents Tesla with a competitive market advantage should they decide to pursue this strategy. As Tesla's mission statement is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy, this would be an alternative that aligns with company objectives. On top of reducing utility expenditure, this also has the opportunity to offset 2.36 trillion metric tons of carbon emissions per year. So when looking at our alternate strategy choice and implementation, we feel that the best strategy for Tesla is the introduction of the Model 3 tiered premium models. This current strategy requires the least amount of resources to implement and allows Tesla to utilize its current customer base rather than requiring the transition into a new industry. In order to implement the Model 3 tiered strategy, Tesla will need to update current manufacturing processes to incorporate the 8 different premium feature offerings. The Tesla marketing teams would need significant retraining to educate personnel on the key aspects of each upgrade. This retraining would be pivotal to the success of the tiered model line, and marketing personnel will need to embrace the changes in marketing structure if the strategy is going to be sustainable. The Tesla sales team will need to shift from the mindset of just selling the vehicle to selling the vehicle with all premium upgrades. This will require a retraining to provide the sales team with the appropriate knowledge to adequately describe and promote the upgrades. To facilitate this change, Tesla would need to emphasize the importance of upgrades and possibly provide incentives for employees who can complete vehicle sales with the premium features. We feel that all this is completely feasible and would ultimately help Tesla in the long run. Thank you for joining us today, and please feel free to contact me if you have any further questions.